Tutorial number 21 in CATIA. So let's continue talking about the transformation menu, and this time let's choose the rotate. We have the sketches from the previous tutorial, and now let's activate the rotate command. Also we can reach it on this right side. So let's click rotate, and the same idea like transform. You can even duplicate or not to duplicate. So just first uncheck the duplicate mode, and we have this sketch is selected. You can also choose the reference point for rotation. You can now use it outside. So now we are able to rotate this sketch. So again, let's select these two sketches, and let's activate the rotate, and let's make a duplicate with one instance. Let's choose the reference point from where we want to rotate and the rotation center. We can pick it. So now we are able to rotate this sketch with keeping the original sketches. And also you can make many instances from the same sketch. In this tutorial we're going to talk about the next command, which is scale.